Hello and welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name is Jamie and today I'm going to give you a full walk around video on something special, 2017 Black Edition Lancer. Now I'm going to start off with the front of the car, show you the condition and also some of the main features as well, including what the actual Black Edition package is. Starting off with the front of the vehicle, first thing you notice, you do get fog lights fitted down the bottom. You also get really nice daytime LED running lights and then those really nice stylish headlights as well. Now usually when this isn't the Black Edition, this is actually chrome, but as you can see for the Black Edition package they actually have blacked it out. We'll come around and look at the wheels. They're also part of the Black Edition package, so you do get the upgraded 18-inch alloy wheels and you do get a really good tyre with fantastic tread on as well, but as you can see with those wheels they just look a lot better than the standard ES Sport wheels actually come with. You also get this little black garnish as well, which again just sets off the car, just sets off the side of the car and makes it look a lot more better and fancier. You also get the blacked out mirrors too, so they're part of the Black Edition package as well, and as you can see the indicator is actually integrated in the mirror itself. You also do get a blacked out roof as well, so as you can see that's part of the Black Edition package as well. We'll also take a look inside the car and show you some of the Black Edition features inside the vehicle as well. So as you can see with the seats you actually do get red stitching. The steering wheel is leather wrapped with, again, you get the red stitching as well. You also get the red pinstripe that goes through the piano black plastic. On the door cards themselves, again, you get the leather with the red stitching as well. And you also get a leather gear knob, a leather grip for the actual handbrake, and a leather armrest as well. And then underneath, you get the black headlining, which makes the car just feel a lot more homier and sportier inside. And you get the aluminium pedal as well. Now we'll close up and we'll keep working our way down the vehicle. Something I would highly suggest that you do talk to us about is getting window tint on this car. You're buying a Black Edition car and the actual windows aren't black, so I would highly recommend you do take advantage and speak to us about that as well. Now, as you can see, the second alloy wheel's in fantastic condition as well, with pretty much brand new tyres on the back and the front as well. And then coming to the back of the car, probably the best looking part of the car, you do get, being a Black Edition as well, the blacked out rear spoiler. As you can see, those real nice aggressive taillights. You get the high mounted stop light and the reverse camera, which I will show you inside as well. Now we'll pop the boot and take a look inside the boot of the vehicle. Can also see the amount of boot space that these Lancers actually come with. So it is a smaller sort of sedan, but as you can see the boot space is still massive. And then taking a look underneath, you do get the space saver spare wheel that's obviously never been used. Keep working our way down the passenger side of the vehicle. Fuel door is on the passenger side. As you can see, another unmarked alloy wheel. We'll keep working our way down. As you'll notice, the paintwork again is in really good condition. If I'm being super picky for you guys, just looks like there's a little mark on the door itself here. But I mean, other than that, that side presents really good. Then coming to the fourth and final wheel. Now this wheel you would usually expect that you would have a bit of gutter rashing or something like that, but as you can see this previous owner obviously knew how to drive and took care of the vehicle, because that is another unmarked alloy wheel. So as you can see guys, with the exterior condition of the vehicle, the previous owner's done a great job of maintaining the exterior condition. Guys, now taking a look underneath the bonnet, so what we have here is a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine producing 107 kilowatts and also 194 newton meters of torque. You do get a 6-speed CVT transmission, a really good sized fuel tank for a sedan of this size, 59 litres that you can run on 91 or above. And the good thing about this car is the engine I should say, is the fuel economy, 7.4 litres to the 100k. So on an average you're going to get around 800 kilometers out of a full tank of fuel. Guys, now taking a look inside the Black Edition, we'll start you off on the driver's side door where you have all your power windows. You also have a button here that will lock the window, so if anyone gets a bit annoying you can lock them out. All your power mirror controls, and then behind the steering wheel itself you have your traction control button, so for any reason you do need to turn that off, you do have that feature right there. On your right hand stalk you have your indicators, your fog lights and also your headlights, and on the left hand stalk you have your front windscreen wiper. On the steering wheel itself, as I mentioned before, it is a leather wrapped steering wheel. On the right hand side, all your cruise control settings, left hand side, all your media controls, and then your Bluetooth just down below. Now moving into the main entertainment system now, as you can see you do get AM/FM radio, you also get digital radio as well. Also get a really nice display reverse camera with the indication lines as well, and you also get AUX USB as well. Just down here is all your climate control settings, so just to adjust those as easy as choosing the temperature, choosing the fan speed and exactly where you want the air to come out from. Then underneath here you do get the 12 volt socket, and this is where your USB is as well. Now, as I mentioned before, you do get a 6-speed CVT transmission. The good thing that with this gearbox, you can actually use the gear selector to actually drive the car manually if you do want to do that for any reason. As I mentioned before, the leather wrapped handrest on the actual handbrake itself. You do get also 2 cup holders that do fold away nicely. Leather wrapped armrest that is very soft, as you can see. And then inside the armrest itself, as you can see, a really good amount of storage for the size that it actually is. Now, one thing to note while the camera person pans around the interior, the red stitching and the red features is actually just on the front half of the vehicle. So on the back half, you don't get any red stitching or anything on the doors. So it is just front half of the vehicle, which is something worth noting. Guys, hopefully that's given you a really good representation of not only the features, but also the condition as well, and obviously what the Black Edition package actually is. Now, as I was mentioning before, I would highly recommend you do take advantage and talk to us about the window tint, and also package it together with the glass coat that we offer here as well. So it is actually going to give you a lifetime warranty on the paintwork of the vehicle. And another thing that I would highly suggest you do take advantage of as well is our premium mechanical protection plan. So if you do feel like you're going to own this car for a long time, it's worthwhile protecting your investment with the mechanical protection plan we offer here. That's going to give you an additional 5 years, up to 200,000 kilometers of mechanical and electrical protection, 10 years of premium roadside assist, and also unlimited claims up to $3,600 per claim. Now, of course, these are an additional cost, but if you do use that in-house finance, Julia Murray, our business managers, will actually show you how minimal it will affect the payment once you actually add these features in. Last thing before I go, with a 4.8 star rating on Google with over 960 reviews from our Australia-wide customers, not only can you be assured you're buying a fantastic car, but you're dealing with the right dealership and the right quality of people to deal with as well. Again, number to call, 99070555. My name is Jamie, and thank you for watching.